Bakit naman hindi natin bibigyan ng pansin ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO? Sa kulay pa lang, Christmas na. Amazing! So, hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. First of all, I am full of gratitude kasi I was given an opportunity to rest. Nakapagpahinga ako ng todong-todo after the busy days. And sabi nga ng isang subscriber natin, dun daw sa previous video na in-upload ko, I feel so tired daw. And sabi ko, yes. During that time na video namin yung content natin the last time, I was really tired. And I think that was 2 weeks ago. And talagang napaka-busy ko sa work. Pero ngayon, nakapagpahinga ako ng maayos, kaya I'm ready to give this content sa inyong lahat because we have a very exciting topic to talk about. So ngayon, sisilipin natin ang isa sa pinakamagandang credit card ni BDO. Pag-aaralan natin ang napakasikat at napakagandang credit card, ang BDO Shopmore Credit Card. Bakit naman hindi natin bibigyan ng pansin ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO? Sa kulay pa lang, Christmas na. First of all, I'd like to show you the physical look of this credit card para ma-appreciate naman ninyo. Alright? Kasi sa kulay pa lang, talagang wow, Paskong Pasko na. Alright, let us start with the Shopmore Mastercard in purple color. Second, we have the Shopmore Mastercard in orange color. There you go. And the third, the Shopmore Mastercard in yellow color. O diba? Ano sa tingin nyo? Diba? Sa kulay pa lang, Paskong Pasko na. But of course, we do not settle for less because I wanna know kung ano ang benefit ng Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO. Alright, so let us start with this question. Bakit nyo naman pipiliin ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO? Unang-una is free annual fee or no annual fee for the first year. So kung baga, iha-handle ni BDO yung annual fee mo for the first year. While from the 13th month onwards, magbabayad ka na ng 150 a month. So even if merong annual fee ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO, magaan lang siya because you are charged every month with 150 pesos. So, hindi siya one-time, big-time deduction, kundi installment siya. So, 1,800 a year. Siguro ang comment natin ay may annual fee naman pala. Pero alam nyo ba na pwede naman nating ipa-waive ang mga annual fees ng ating mga credit cards if we have a good record or a good standing with the bank or the credit card provider. So, wag natin yung iset aside kasi merong possibility na ma-waive yung annual fee ng credit card mo provided, yun na nga, yung maganda yung record mo with the bank or with the credit card provider. Alright? And one thing more, rule of thumb. Automatic na kapag ang credit card natin ay may annual fee, ibig sabihin nun, ang credit card natin is points and rewards earning credit card. Kaya nga, ang Shopmore Mastercard may pa-welcome. Kaya nga sa unang purchase mo, regardless of the amount, uulitin ko ha, regardless of the amount, meron kang marireceive na 250 peso points. So, ibig sabihin, 250 pesos yung welcome reward mo from Shopmore Mastercard. O diba, isn't that great? Unang purchase mo pa lang, regardless of the amount, ibig sabihin kahit 500 pesos lang or 250 pesos, ang makukuha mo is 250 peso points. Amazing! So yung 250 bonus points will be automatically be credited to your account. Ngayon, meron akong ipapakita na table kasi ito yung table na ginagamit ni BDO ngayon. Merong mga specific schedule of spending and crediting of the reward. And another thing so good about this Shopmore Mastercard is that pasok siya sa mga iba't ibang programa ng BDO. Katulad ng Buy Now, Pay Later. Alam nyo ba, ito yung pinaka-exciting na feature or program ng BDO credit cards. Yung Buy Now, Pay Later. Yung bang parang nag-purchase ka today or this month, babayaran mo 3 months after. Wow, napaka-gaan talaga because parang magpo-purchase ka ngayon, pero alam mo na yung SOA mo or yung bill mo dadating sa'yo 3 months after. So, kumbaga, you have enough time, hindi lang enough time, so much time to prepare for the installment of your purchase. Di ba nga, buy now, pay later, 3 months after, and then kapag nag-umpisa ka ng magbayad, installment pa siya at 0% interest. And of course, pasok din sa installment program ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO. So ano yung mga installment program? Balance transfer. This is transferring your balance from other credit cards to your Shopmore Mastercard. May konting interest pero babayaran mo siya monthly. So kumbaga kapag wala ka ng credit limit doon sa credit card mong isa, pwede mong i-transfer yung balance mo doon dito sa Shopmore Mastercard. May patong na konting interest at babayaran mo siya in installment. Sometimes 6 months, 12 months, 18 months. And aside from that, pasok din siya sa cash installment. Ano yung cash installment? That is converting your credit limit into cash. Parang nag-loan ka, alright? Pero yung credit limit mo, i-convert yan sa cash. And then babayaran mo siya monthly with add-on interest, of course. Pero minimal lamang siya. Depende sa laki ng kinonvert mo na credit limit. And eto pa, purchase convert. Ito yung single receipt amounting to 3,000, minimum of 3,000 pesos. And then pwede mo siyang pa-convert into installment at bayaran mo siya with add-on interest. Alright, ito naman ina-apply. Okay, so what you have to do is go to the bank or call the hotline and speak with the customer service representative. Magpa-assist ka para ma-convert yung single purchase mo amounting to 3,000. That's the minimum ha. And then bayaran mo siya with additional add-on interest na minimal lamang. BDO Shopmore Mastercard is also marked as safe for online shopping. So, kumbaga, hindi ito yung mag-worry ka, baka ako ay ma-scam, ma-fraud and all that, katulad ng mga issue na nagaganap sa mundo regarding credit card. Pero eto, BDO marked it as safe for online transactions. Aside from that, may mga freebies pa, may mga benefits pa if you use this credit card to shop online. Meron kasi siyang 3D secure facility that makes your online transaction safe. And another amazing thing about Shopmore Mastercard is bills payment. Ito yung inaantay ko sa credit card yung bills payment. Alright, meron tayong tinatawag na charge on demand. Ano ang charge on demand? For example, you're going on a vacation and gusto mo na ayusin na lang lahat yung mga utilities mo na babayaran mo para kahit wala ka, automatic ma-deduct na lang yung payment mo doon sa mga utilities. So yung tungkol dito sa charge on demand, pwede nating itawag ito kay bangko para i-arrange with them. And meron din silang auto charge. Ito yung i-fix mo na monthly yung deductions para sa mga utilities mo. Ito naman itatawag natin kay bangko para iaayos na lang para on time yung pagbayad natin ng ating mga utilities. And isa ito sa pinaka-exciting at pinaka-gusto ko kasi kumbaga parang worry-free ka. Ang gagawin lang natin, mag-a-alarm tayo para dun sa alarm, yun na magre-remind sa atin na kailangan na nating kumpletuhin ang credit limit or magbayad on time, siguraduhin na may credit limit tayo, may laman ang ating credit card para automatic matcha-charge yung ating mga utilities. So worry-free. Not to forget, pasok din ang Shopmore Mastercard sa BDO deals. Ang dami nilang deals and I'll show you some of it. And of course, worldwide accepted. Over 20 million locations, over 275 countries or territories. So kahit saan sa mundo, tatanggapin ang Shopmore Mastercard mo. And eto, may pa-promo si BDO, 500 pesos cashback on your birthday. Pero parang limited na yung time natin because yung promo na to started on September and will end on February 2025. Sana mag-extend si BDO ng ganitong pa-promo para mas maraming mag-a-avail ng Shopmore Mastercard nila. Diba? Tama ba ako? So yan, na-discuss natin, nasilip natin ng konti ang Shopmore Mastercard ni BDO in 3 colors. We have the purple, the orange, and the yellow. Yung akin kasi na Shopmore Mastercard, yung unang-una pa lang, kasi ang available before is, if I'm not mistaken, it's black and white. Pero maganda naman siya. Alright, so there you go. Natapos po tayo with another video. Maraming salamat. I feel so happy. Parang nakatulog ako ng mahabang-mahaba after the sleepless night. So fresh na naman ulit ako. Although I just turned last November 20, but then again, salamat because I still have the strength and the energy to do videos just like this one para matulungan ko naman kayo sa mga queries ninyo. I believe na yung videos naman natin sa ating YouTube channel give answers to the frequently asked questions or FAQ. Alright, so there you go. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel and always tap the notification bell so that you will always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong videos. Muli, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok yan, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!